Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you create the rock grease skins video in the Photoshop. Here I'm gonna make and show you like this. Listen again. Okay, we are going to make this one. Let's start. First you need to paint the transparent document with your white background. So use the paint bucket tool and select your green background and click it on your layer. Now you will have the green background. Now we'll take the symbol, go to the costume shape tool, and here you can see that my costume shape is already selected, but if you want to find where your costume shape is located, follow me. It is located inside the symbols. Here you can see the costume, and now make sure your symbol color is different than the green background, otherwise it won't be visible. So now create a one symbol here, the cross symbol which I just selected. By holding the shift key, drag and drop. Okay, now you will have a symbol with red background. Press enter or press some other on the toolbar. Now you will have a one symbol. Now put some stroke and the drop shadow. So select the stroke. Okay, the limit is 5. Okay, 10. Okay, leave it 10 pixels outside normal. Okay, now you'll have the stroke. Now go and apply some drop shadow. Drop shadow. Yeah, angle is little right and little down. Okay, angle is okay. Now press it. Okay, now you'll have the drop shadow, and now make a copy of this layer again. Now you have the copy of the layer 1. So to change the color into different color, click on the small icon there and then pick the different color. Okay, now you will have a two layer, one with red, one with white. So make sure you make this a little small. So press the Ctrl T from your keyboard, and by holding the shift button, make it little smaller. Okay, with the help of move tool, move it in the position. Okay, put it down. Okay, just leave it like this. Now select the both layer and make a copy again, and say by clicking on the text, change the name 3x4. Okay, I have a 4 layer here and one with background. So make another 4 by holding, make a copy of another 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Nine, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have the 12 left. Now go to window and go to timeline and click on create frame animation. click on it. Now you will have a 12 layers here excluding the background layer, and here also you will have a 12 frame excluding the background layer. So this is your background layer. Layer 1 is your background layer. Make it little longer. Now this is layer 1, layer 2. When you do the frame animation, it has to be displayed one after another. At the moment, it is everything is all displayed in one from 0 to 0.5 frame. So move this one like this. Suppose it display like this one, and after this one, after this one, after this one, after this one. So it display one after another, not every frame at once. And make sure your background layer will be long enough to cover the last layer. So my last layer is in 02 f, that is 2 minutes frame, and my background layer is, yes, it is long enough, but it is too long enough. So decrease the it is up to here too, a little more down. Okay, up to here. Now play and have a look. You can see that after here it's gonna display this layer. This one is finished and it come up white. So we have to edit the time so it can display quite faster. Now it is displayed very slowly. You can see that after 5 seconds then another frame appear. After 5 seconds another frame appear. Also I don't want that long. Here instead of 5 seconds go to 2 seconds. After each 2 seconds we need to display the other one. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now play this one. Now this is much better now. Okay, this is what I wanted. Now we have the image. Now the next is we need a now play this one. Okay, we have the image. Now we need to add the audio. Again go back and click on the small icon, this icon at the corner. Now you can see that audio track. Click here and add audio and select the audio. My audio is I have already make ready my audio. Now play. Here you can see that. Okay, you can see that at the end there is a transparent background appear. So zoom it, and from here I need to cut out this part and throw. So use cut out and click and press the delete button. Now start again. That's it. Start now. That's, this is how you make the wrong green screen frame animations. Okay, after you satisfied with your video, click the render button and then save it in the location. Go to and check in the document. Here the untitled one. This is the one I just saved it down. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.